Good morning, everybody, and thank you very much for coming. This was given at short notice, but we are happy you are still here with us. It's basically, as you've been told, a press conference to look at an upcoming event. That is the second edition of the Asantehene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II Art Awards, which was instituted last year. That is, the inaugural was last year. And it will be an award given to artists, those who are basically into painting, photography, and other forms of art, including traditional art. Between 2 and 10 individuals and institutions may be selected, and this will normally be based on the recommendation of an independent jury that will do head hunt, but also assess independently the works of artists. Lobbying is out of the way. People who try to influence or to lobby for the awards automatically get disqualified. That is why the jury is anonymous. Last year, we had about 500 people attending, individuals, organizations, and we gave the first 10 to very distinguished artists, post-colonial Ghanaian artists who shaped what art forms the current generation of creative artists inherited over the years. And this year, we're giving it to 8 individuals, but 3 of them are not Ghanaians. And the reason why they are not Ghanaians also has to do with our internationalization of programs and the MOUs, that is Memorandum of Understanding, that we've signed with institutions beyond this country, basically to look into how to promote Pan-African art. We've signed an MOU with Seychelles, that's the Republic of Seychelles. We've done a similar one with the Swatini, and we almost completed another one with Rwanda. So with time, we will be getting nominations. We will be giving award to individuals from some of these countries who have distinguished themselves. And you may know that these year's laureates have already been announced. It was announced at the UNESCO office in Accra. We collaborate with them. They are our partners. And together with Justice and Repair, these are the 2 major partners we have for now. And when we made the announcement, it was also in their names that we did so. You will find the photos of these individuals selected. We are giving the prizes to Lariotu. We're giving it to Ibrahim Mahama, and 2 distinguished international curators, Julie Hodgson and Opemsuo, from the British Museum and Theatre Modern in London. And then we're also giving the awards to Yao Usu. We're giving the awards to Victor Butler, Afia Prempe, and we're giving it also to an artist from Seychelles, Leo Ragondi. And I think I've forgotten one more. Who else? Yeah, 8 of them. So you have them here in front of you. And on Wednesday at 6 p.m., they will all come and get their recognition from the Asantehene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. The second, and then Lady Julia, who is the chief patron of the awards, and she will of course also be here. 3 of them are coming from the UK and New York, specifically, that is United States. They are arriving in the country by tomorrow, and so they will get to Kumasi between tomorrow and Tuesday morning. But before the awards on Wednesday, 6 p.m., Lady Julia will have a laureates cocktail reception in which they will be formally welcomed to Kumasi And that will be done by also recognizing about 10 ambassadors and high commissioners who are coming from Accra to participate in this second edition. And we have about 15 UN and other international development heads who are also participating. So we're expecting, apart from these individuals representing government and institutions, about 450 others, maximum 500 individuals in all, coming from parts of the country, in particular Accra, where the heads of cultural agencies, virtually all of them, will be here. And we'll have as guest of honor the Minister for Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Honorable Gomashi, who will also be with us on Wednesday. So this is a gist of what it will look like on Tuesday and on Wednesday. Hopefully I'm clear on the issues connected to this second edition of the Asante Nyotumfo Osei to the Second Arts Award. If there are questions, if there are some clarifications that are needed, I'll be more than willing to do so.